Greetings. One more time, this is your brother Black Light, how to unplug. And I was telling you that we in the season to be jolly. Yeah, but we also in a season that lies. This is a false flag season. They said that Jesus was born on the 25th of December. Then they canceled Jesus out. And all you seeing is Santa Claus and reindeer and Christmas trees. And they don't talk about Jesus no more. Because brothers is hip that the one they call Jesus, which is not his real name, is a black man with an African name, or Esau. It's his name, and he was black, so they want to put emphasis on that white man, so they using Santa Claus. See, so now Elijah Muhammad say, let's fast. Because, all we are consumers, man. We done lost our imagination. We suppressing the science side of ourselves, our nature. And we just want to feel good all the time. That's why we get high, We feel good, but when we become dope fiends, don't feel so good. And again, you're putting money in the white man's pocket, Santa Claus pocket, Uncle Sam's pocket, and you come up empty. You're always outgunned and always outnumbered because your people be running around here with a Santa Claus hat on, and if they can't, buy if a man can't buy his children gifts, he go out and rob somebody, or he be so depressed that he ain't worth 2 cents, and so I'm using YouTube, to try to wake us up, I call this Allah's 24/7 God vision. See, because I'm a brother that has a practice on using my inner vision. I try to recreate myself, That's why I have many aliases, many names, and I'm always reinventing myself. That's one thing, the one they called Jesus, or so-called Jesus, was saying. Say, be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind. We having a hard time as a people transforming ourselves back to the kings and queens and the gods that we once were. So you get young brothers like young Pharaoh, got a little bit of knowledge. Most of it he got from the Caucasian, because he never was a FOI. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I know that most of you don't want to talk about the Nation of Islam since Farrakhan and the joint, especially you young ones, since he done joined the Scientology movement. But it ain't the same Nation of Islam that Elijah was inventing or developing. Elijah was creating a new world. And you can see it. a world for his people. And he left off at with a black hospital. But now we're going to have to, since there's no black hospital, we're going to have to not get sick. And this is how you renew your mind. You got mind over matter now. So you're using your mind to deprogram yourself and to reprogram yourself so you won't get sick. So now we fasting. So this is a form of discipline and a form of doing without certain habits, bad habits. So this month is not just fasting from food. You got to fast from drugs, alcohol, and sex. Fast from sex, fast from getting high off of any kind of drug. Cold turkey yourself. Fast from spending. Spending up all your money, getting into debt, getting your lights cut off, and fast from negative friends that, or you thought was your friends, that people that want to do you harm, people that mean you no good, that are using you and abusing you. If you got all of these vices or crutches or habits, bad habits, fast, man, this month. And you don't have to limit it to this month. You could go into next month. You could go into a year. So this is Black Light. Might come back with another one. Stay tuned.